If you love woodworking or DIY projects, you're going to want to see these tools. Each one is designed for precision, power, and performance, perfect for pros and hobbyists alike. All product links are in the description, and make sure to subscribe for more tool updates and reviews. Tired of juggling multiple tools on the job? Meet the 7-inch black and green aluminum Rafter square, your all-in-one solution for accuracy and speed. It's not just a square, it's a level, angle finder, and pro-grade measuring tool in one sleek design. The adjustable pivot arm locks perfectly for spot-on angles, while the 21 index presets make setup effortless. Built from solid aluminum and stainless steel, this tool is made to last. Whether you're framing, roofing, or welding, this Rafter square keeps every cut clean and every line precise. Stop losing your pencils on the job. This 14-piece Carpenter Pencil Set is built for real work. You get heavy-duty flat Carpenter pencils made from solid wood and strong HB graphite, perfect for bold, precise marks that don't snap easily. The flat octagonal design stays put and won't roll away. It also includes a retractable pen holder with a 24-inch cord, so your pencil is always within reach, plus a universal sharpener with a built-in stone for quick touch-ups. Ideal for carpenters, builders, and DIY pros. Everything you need, right at your fingertips. Looking to start wood carving the easy way? The BeaverCraft Wood Carving Knife Kit S15 has everything you need to begin your carving journey. Inside, you'll find 3 pre-sharpened knives, a detail knife, chip carving knife, and roughing knife, ready to use straight out of the box. The ergonomic handles make carving smooth and comfortable for hours. Plus, it includes a leather strap, polishing compound, and a handy tool roll to keep everything organized. Made in Ukraine with trusted European quality, it's the perfect starter kit for beginners, hobbyists, or creative kids ready to carve their first masterpiece. The Huepar Pro Rechargeable Laser Level brings precision and power to every project. With self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, it's built for both indoor and outdoor use. The bright green beam stays accurate up to 200 feet, while the 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery keeps it running for up to 18 hours. Its 360 degrees magnetic bracket makes mounting quick and flexible, and the durable, waterproof case protects it wherever you work. Compact, tough, and reliable, this tool keeps every line sharp and every project perfectly aligned. Make your shelf installation precise and hassle-free with the GOINGMAKE 1/4-inch shelf pin jig. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this jig includes 7 hardened drill guides for perfectly straight holes every time. Drill 7 1/4-inch holes at once with 1/4-inch spacing, saving time and delivering professional results. With adjustable edge distances of 37, 50, and 64 millimeters, it's perfect for DIY shelves, cabinet hardware, and woodworking projects of any size. The kit comes complete with drill bits, a wrench, and a locating pin, making shelf building easier and more accurate than ever. Check moisture levels quickly and safely with the NDI 7-in-1 moisture meter scanner. This versatile tool offers both pin type and pinless modes. Use pins for precise readings or skin surfaces without leaving a mark. It's perfect for drywall, cement board, softwood, and hardwood up to 3/4 inch deep. The ergonomic handle and new angle sensor protect surfaces while making measurements easy and comfortable. Specialized modes, including a mildew indicator, help you identify hidden moisture issues fast. With convenient controls, auto power off, and batteries included, this meter is ready to use right out of the box. Upgrade your woodworking finish with the Abrasive Nylon Wire Drum Brush. Measuring 120 by 100 millimeters, this brush features high-quality nylon fibers infused with aluminum oxide for durability and efficient polishing. It handles flat, curved, concave, convex, or irregular surfaces with ease, removing burrs, stains, paint, and uneven finishes quickly. Designed for use with drawing or polishing machines, it improves surface conditioning while saving time. For best results, add water to cool the bristles and extend wear life. Soft yet tough, this brush ensures smooth, professional results on all your wood furniture projects. Achieve perfect miter joints every time with these woodworking miter clamps. The ergonomic lever and rotating cam push the hardened steel teeth into the wood, holding your joint firmly while applying even pressure for precise glue bonds. Built from heavy-duty chrome-plated steel and aluminum, these clamps are durable, rust-resistant, and made to last. Perfect for window casings, door frames, picture frames, and cabinet trim, they make tricky angles simple. Just apply glue, rotate the lever, let it set, and release. Professional quality miter joints made easy. Note: small indentations may appear, easily filled afterward for a flawless finish. Get a flawless finish every time with the Wagner Spraytech Detail Finish Front-End Kit. Designed for fine projects like furniture, cabinets, and trim, this nozzle delivers smooth, brush-free results. Compatible with most Wagner HVLP sprayers, including FLECO and paint-ready models, it handles water and oil-based coatings like paints, stains, sealers, and polyurethane. The adjustable flow control and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round, let you match the finish to any project. Easy to assemble and swap with lock-and-go technology, this front end makes detailed spraying faster, cleaner, and more precise. Create precise circles and grooves effortlessly with the 4-in-1 router milling groove bracket. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this adjustable router jig works with small routers like Bosch PR20 EVS and Makita RT0701C, and larger versions fit most handheld routers. The design ensures stability and accuracy when cutting, while the crossbar and side brackets are easy to install and adjust. Simply hand thread screws, then tighten evenly for secure setup. Its multifunctional design makes it perfect for woodworking projects, allowing smooth, clean cuts every time, whether for circles, grooves, or other detailed routing tasks. Join wood quickly and securely with the Kreg DB210 Foreman pocket hole machine. This powerful tool makes pocket hole joinery fast and easy. Just drill, drive, and you're done. It works twice as fast and with half the effort of manual jigs, saving time on every project. The tool-free adjustable fence ensures precise, accurate pocket holes, while its 20-pound portable design makes it perfect for any job site. Built with Kreg's premium quality, this machine helps woodworkers turn ideas into finished projects with speed, accuracy, and professional results. Power through any cutting task with the SEESII cordless reciprocating saw. Lightweight at just 2 pounds, it's perfect for one-handed use and extended projects. The 200W brushless motor delivers up to 3,500 revolutions per minute, cutting effortlessly through wood, PVC, and metal. With 2x 4.0Ah batteries and fast charging, you get long runtime with minimal downtime. Swap blades in seconds using the tool-free system and work safely in dark spaces thanks to the built-in LED light. The kit includes 8 saw blades, charger, gloves, safety glasses, and a storage box, making it ready for any home or professional project. Install cabinet hinges quickly and accurately with the metal concealed hinge jig. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this all-metal jig is more durable and precise than plastic alternatives, featuring built-in double bearings to reduce lateral movement for stable drilling. The quick clamp system lets you lock the jig in place and drill 35mm hinge holes effortlessly, improving efficiency and accuracy. Compatible with 12 to 25mm wood and most standard cabinet hinges, it comes with a 35mm hole saw, 2mm drill bit, and essential tools for fast setup. Save time and effort while achieving professional hinge installations every time. Cut with speed and precision using the Makita XCM01Z18V LXD brushless cordless 3-inch cutoff tool. Its powerful Makita-built brushless motor spins up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, delivering fast, efficient cutting. Designed for comfortable one-handed operation, it features an easy-to-reach switch for forward and reverse control. Set your cutting depth up to 5/8 inch with the included toolless dust collection cutoff guard, which installs quickly for convenience and cleaner work. Lightweight, ergonomic, and built for performance, this cordless cutoff tool is perfect for a variety of metal and wood cutting tasks. Handle home improvement and woodworking projects with ease using the 18-gauge cordless brad nailer / narrow crown stapler. Compatible with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, not included. This 2-in-1 tool drives 18GA brad nails and narrow crown staples quickly and accurately. Its brushless motor ensures long life with built-in protection against overheating, overload, and low voltage. Safety features prevent accidental firing, while the ergonomic, lightweight design makes extended use comfortable. With rapid firing up to 2 nails per second, tool-free jam release, and selectable trigger modes, this cordless nailer is perfect for DIY, home improvement, and professional woodworking projects. Measure angles quickly and accurately with the Proster 0 to 225 degrees digital angle finder protractor. This aluminum protractor offers a wide measuring range of 0 to 225 degrees with 0.5 degrees precision, perfect for woodworking, carpentry, and home decoration projects. The backlit LCD display makes readings clear and easy, while the hold button lets you lock angles for convenience. Designed for practical use, it includes a hanging hole and features automatic shutoff after 5 minutes, along with a low battery alarm to extend battery life. Ideal for measuring trays, sloping roofs, handrails, and precise lineation tasks. Cut with precision and ease using the Bora 530416 QuickCut circular saw guide. This all-in-one woodworking tool replaces multiple jigs and miter saws, offering 4 preset angles: 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees for accurate cuts on wood and soft metals. The built-in ruler provides both imperial and metric measurements, making marking and measuring flush angles simple for framing, crown molding, and more. A large, curved handle ensures a secure grip and precise control, while durable aluminum construction and a 14-inch guide rail allow long, straight cuts with confidence. Bora QuickCut delivers convenience, accuracy, and reliability for every project.